Hey, what's up? Corey and Savannah here on the back portion, this flat portion of the roof. This is one of the places you guys have had particular attention to. Is this board strong enough? I'm standing right here in the middle portion of the back of the roof. Now, this is an Aldo product. It's a super heavy polyurethane sealant. We got gasket screws holding down the strip edge over the commercial roof, which needed to get done. And then we sealed this real good. I don't think we could have put a commercial roof tape with this. I know the boards are in question. I'm stepping over the whole edge of the back of the roof, and they're not perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and disclose that they're not perfect, but they're strong, right? They're good for the next 30 years or so. I'm walking all over the edge of the back of the roof here. So I think we're aces. I think the solution is gonna work just fine. And let's see, rest of the roof. So we swapped out new boards here along all of these eaves, stuck new OSB. All this stuff looks just fine, perfectly acceptable. Got some flashing caulked up right there. I'll circle back to the front right here as well. All this stuff is exactly like we want it to be. I've got some pictures on the underside of the new OSB that went everywhere. We're opening up the soffit before we put the soffit on so that we can get good ventilation in there. Soffit, fascia, and gutters within the next week, and hopefully this project looks domed up like a shiny penny in about 7 days. Thank you guys for watching this Kirby Smith soffit, fascia, gutter job where we did a little roof love as well. Thank you very much.